So, thank you for having it here as well, sa Dolphy Theater.
Thank you.
Okay, once again, Dolphy Theater, let's give it up for our panelists for our short segment. Kasi kaya nga, Jane, diba, it's not everything that we get to spend. May recommend nyo sa mga manonood sa I Want?
Ano ba? Or...
Yes.
Okay. Incognito.
Yes.
Maganda na action films.
So, hindi na ako lalayo. Love at First Bite.
Yes!
Pag meron na yung Afam Wives. Pero for now, Mama and Mother 2. I Want.
Yes.
Hindi na ako lalayo. Billy docu-series.
Sa kanyang pambato na to ah.
Ano kayo sa Donnie?
Oo nga eh.
Balikan na lang muna yung Can't Buy Me Love. Ayan, rewatch mo.
Uy, maraming kinilig dun ah. Bye.
True. Okay, ano yung next question, Jane?
Next naman natin, what is the last thing you watched sa I Want?
Hindi ko pwedeng aminin eh. Kasi mga after dark yung napanood ko. Pero ang media answer, siguro, last thing, John and Marcia.
John and Marcia.
Again, di na ako lalayo. Episode 3 ng Love at First Bite. Just watch.
Hindi rin po ako lalayo kakatapos lang ng Pride. So yung Mama rin yung ulit ko napanood.
Ako lalayo kasi totoo ito yung kinukwento ko kay Jay. Ngayong nandito ka, Jericho Crispin.
Pag-draw ba?
Yung ano, PBB.
Yes.
Pati live streaming, baka pwede rin doon eh.
Oo, pwede actually. But of course, thank you guys so much.
It was a very exciting opportunity for us as a news department. We haven't done a documentary in 4 years since the shutdown. So it was an opportunity for us to sort of test the waters again, to do a long form piece. Kaya na-excite kami lahat. Tapos, parang weird din sabihin na hindi siya seryoso kasi I think if you watch the documentary, it tackles very important issues na hindi masyado pag-uusapan, like mental health, for example. And I've always wanted to do a documentary on mental health. Tapos, nakadakip siya dun sa napakagandang kwento nung 8 babae, talagang mapapahanga ka I followed them for isang taon ba, halos direct, close to 1 year. Tapos makikita mo talaga kung gaano ka-tapang, ka-resilient, so if you watch the journey din na nagdaan din nila yung shutdown, yung pandemic, yung lahat, parang roller coaster of emotion. So as a storyteller, it was really a challenge for me. Parang, paano mo i-capture lahat ng feeling na yon at yung kwentong yon in 1 hour and 30 minutes. It was really a challenge for me as a storyteller.
That's why I feel after watching the docu-series, mas dumami talaga yung blooms. Kasi nakita mo talaga yung mga nangyayari sa backend, yung mga struggles nila. Full name.
Of course, Dream Glory and Max Payne Del Valle, ang ating love team ng He's Into Her. But this show was released back in 2021, Donnie. Almost broke the platform because of the views and users wanting to know how the story will end. And eventually, it had a second season for He's Into Her, which was equally as phenomenal. But of course, Donnie, looking back at your experience with I Want and He's Into Her, how was it like for a younger version of Donnie to be entrusted with such a big show like He's Into Her, and what, I guess, yung advice mo to all the up-and-coming artists as well?
Wow. No, that was a crazy time. You know, 2021. Kailan pa kami nag-look test nun? Siguro 2019 or something, diba? So, yeah, the fact that we were entrusted such a big show by ABS-CBN and by I Want, looking back at it now, I'm really proud of the whole team kasi we were a bunch of kids, to be honest. I mean, it was a really young group. And we had a lot of people guiding us. Siyempre, I Want and ABS, Star Magic managers namin, everyone. But the fact that they put us out there and they were willing to kind of risk, you know, everyone, the producers, they were willing to risk money and time just to put up a really good adaptation on screen. Sobrang nakakaba, siyempre, nakaka-pressure nung time na yun. Pero kami kasi sobrang G kami. Yun nga kasi, bata pa kami. Alam mo yun, like we were super G to do anything. But because of what happened, you know, with the pandemic, and we started shooting, tapos biglang nag-stop yun eh. Nag-shoot kami ng first half. So, if you guys would notice, yung mga ibang episodes namin, iba yung tsura talaga namin. Sobra. Kasi yung iba nag-mature na. Ako, nagpalaki ako. Tapos yung ibang yung ibang characters hindi na rin pwede. There was a shift talaga eh. Akala ko nga nung nag-stop kami, pull out na yung show. Pack up na. Kasi syempre, ang hirap naman nun. 1 year break, tapos babalik kayo. But I want really believed in it and the whole team. So I'm very, very glad to be a part of it. What I love about I Want talaga, and ABS of course, is they always find a way to reinvent themselves. And dito na talaga papunta yung future natin, di ba? Online. Digital space. There's so much room for everyone. So if you ask me advice, just focus on your craft, you know. I'm still learning every day. That moment, when I entered as Dave, alongside Max and the whole crew, sobrang naging sponge lang kami kasi first time ko rin talaga na magbida sa isang serye na gano'n. So you just have to keep learning, be open, of course learn from the people around you, and be very, very grateful because you are not given this opportunity all the time. So, again, I just like to thank I Want kasi syempre malaking parte kayo ng buhay ko. And I'm just so excited to see what I Want has for us in the future. So, yeah, I love you guys. Thank you.
Palapakan naman ng I Want.
So, as I mentioned earlier, parang binuksan ng Beanie yung docu-live ulit ng news department. So you can expect more documentaries on I Want. This morning, we just dropped a documentary on Arnolfo Teves Jr. We have one with Pope Leo, another about nuclear plants that are abandoned and nobody used. So we have more coming up. Sana magtuloy-tuloy pa yung partnership ng I Want with the news department because it allows us to tell long-form stories. At syempre, yung inaabangan ng lahat, kung may chapter 4 daw by Beanie, pero let's see. Hatiin na agad si Sir Jamie.
Pero quick question also, Sir Jeff, no? Kasi I noticed, parang yung dami ng mga documentaries can be more by the future. May message ko sa mga gusto gumawa ng mga documentaries as well.
Just do it. Alam mo, parang marami magsasabi sa'yo ng mga hadlang, pero at the end of the day, medyo empowered na lahat because of, diba, sa dati kailangan mo pa ng malaking camera na ilaw na all that. Ito, cellphone, makakagawa ka na ng buong documentary. So, in terms of equipment, hindi na dapat hadlang. Pangarap na lang yung kailangan mong puhunanan to really tell stories. Saka sa panahon na unti-unting binabawi yung katotohanan from us, mahalaga na mas marami tayong storytellers sa babae doon sa katotohanan. So, I encourage everyone to pick up their own cameras, whatever form, and be truth tellers through documentaries.
Ganda ng sinabi niya lahat eh. Pretty sure na just waiting. Tama talaga. You know, seeing a glimpse of the new interface, yung mga bagong aabangan sa I Want, yung mga upcoming shows, and just this new direction that I Want is going through. Ako, totoo, I'm just really excited to see next level Filipino stories and Filipino cinema. Yun talaga yun. Kasi at the end of the day, kayang-kaya talaga natin eh. And we've seen that through and through, and we're seeing that more and more every day. So I think as I Want gives more opportunities to creatives, to directors, to artists, to producers, to collaborate and to get together to create magic, more and more of that will show as we progress. And ako, syempre, as an artist, I also look at that. Like you were talking with Direk Lauren and Sir Jamie about ways that we can also collaborate, you know, with the shows that we go through. Kasi you really have to own it, di ba? Iba na pag kasama ka rin the back end of things. So that's also something I would like to explore. And yeah, I'm just very excited to see the next level of Filipino stories with that. Not go to directing, more of just producing or being a part of it talaga at the back end of things. So we're starting to do that already with the projects that we're talking about now. What I love most about I Want, and even ABS-CBN, sobrang collaborative nila. They really listen to the people who are on board. And that's very much needed if you want to create something that everyone feels like they're a part of.
Mas may power talaga.
It's upcoming this year, of course. But I just would like to relay, please support I Want, and please support Logo, please support our directors. Kasi sobrang deserve nila. Yun na yung gusto kong sabihin. Ako, magiging viewer talaga ako, magiging audience ako. I'm really excited, genuinely, to see the upcoming stories that we have. So please support everyone. Thank you guys.
Ayan. Okay, thank you so much once again to our panelists for our short speaking segment.